This is Monster Truck Classics, and we are gonna take a look at the Hot Wheels Monster Jam die-cast truck of Max D Maximum Destruction that comes with the recrushable car. This one is number 8 of 15 in the Epic Editions, and they say that it is the 2018 new look of Max D. I call this one the cherry or red truck, but on the back, here's the trucks on the back. There's Wonder Woman in Epic Editions, Chromo Frost of Dragon, Epic Editions of Jester. There's Max D, which we're gonna unbox. Then we have the Chromo Frost of Zombie Hunter, MJ Dog Pound of Monster Mutt, Nitro Hornet in the Mud, and Metal Militia in Tour Favorites. So let's go ahead and unbox Max D and take a look and see what is the difference from this one compared to 2016. Well, we get different colors of the cars, but they're kind of the same. Some of them, you know, there's only a few designs of the cars, but this one's a green one where I have like an orange one of the same one. But anyways, let's go ahead and bring in the new Max D. Alright, so what's the difference with this one compared to the one in 2016? We have the BKT Hot Wheel tires. That's the first one that I know. Tom Mintz, Max D. Coming around to the front. Yeah, not a whole lot of difference I see. Still a cool truck. Just so you know, it says Max D Maximum Destruction and Tom Mintz right there by my fingernail. And so then the other one, right here maybe, is the Monster Jam logo. So really from the other one, and there is also the Monster Jam World Finals logos right there, and also on the other side right there. So that's the two differences between the two. Now I'll bring in the 2016 version, and you can compare. So that's the only two comparisons that I see that have changed, is the BKT Hot Wheel tires and the Monster Jam logo. I wish that they have carried the flame job the whole way down, like on the real truck, and put the Monster Jam logo somewhere else on the truck, but it's pretty crowded how it is. So thank you for tuning in for the unboxing of Max D, the 2018 new look.